I'm Noel Dunn, Director of Creative Alliance. I'm delighted to have won the Social Enterprise West Midlands Profit Award because it's a real acknowledgement of the growth that our social enterprise has achieved over the last 3 years. And it's a testament as well to the confidence and faith that creative industries from around the region are demonstrating and investing in talented young people and giving them opportunities to get their foot in the door of the creative industries by becoming apprentices.
It's a real honour to win the Inspire Award from Social Enterprise West Midlands. Coventry City Council is facing some really difficult decisions over the coming years around budget. But as our aim to grow the city, we're looking to promote social enterprise and looking at how we can work with the sector to make some of our procurement systems a bit easier to access to social enterprise, but also seeing what we can do as a council to support and promote social enterprise within the city.
Well, it's a real pleasure and honour for us to be the winners tonight for the West Midlands Social Enterprise Award. Social enterprise is leading the way for innovation, and I think this award clearly highlights that social enterprises are contributing in many different ways to our communities, and we are proud to be recognised at this level, and this will go a long way in terms of the work that we're doing in Coventry.
Totally shocked actually to receive this award. I know I was nominated, I didn't expect to be, and I certainly didn't expect to actually get the award. And it just feels great. It feels really, really good.
John Taylor was founded in 1910. Getting this award in 2014 proves we can still innovate, and social enterprises are the way to do it.
Mindful Gifts are over the moon for winning this award. It started with an idea last year that there was a need for meaningful activities for people with dementia, and there was a lack of gift ideas, what to buy people when it came to Christmas and birthdays. So the business, social enterprise, is just over the moon that it's won this award.
Just like to say thank you to Social Enterprise West Midlands for inviting me to come and accept this prestigious award on behalf of my father. It's a real honour and a privilege to be here, and it's been a real exciting time seeing all the other awards passed out and seeing some of the influence that my father's made during his time working with social enterprises in the sector. So thank you very much.